I'm Michelle Cromer. Thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you being here and your interest in sacred sites. Do any of y'all need hope? How about healing? I want to tell you a place where I go to this day. I've been many, many times for both. It's known as El Santuario de Chimayo, which is sometimes called the Lords of North America. Like the famous shrine in France, it attracts those who are seeking healing body and soul. I've been to both Chimayo, which is northern New Mexico outside Santa Fe, and Lourdes, and both are remarkable places for renewal and healing. Long before the Spaniards arrived in New Mexico and in that region, this spot was considered healing and had a sanctuary by the Pueblo Indians who lived in that area. Healing spirits were thought to inhabit the hot springs that were actually there. Chimayo's fame spread to the larger world sometime around 1810 when a local man saw a light springing from one of the hills near Santa Cruz River. After following it to a source, he found in the earth a crucifix bearing a dark-skinned Jesus or Jesus. The local villagers paid homage to this relic, and they took it to a church nearby in Santa Cruz. Mysteriously, during the night, the crucifix returned to its original location, even though they had taken it away. After this happened 2 or 3 more times, the locals go, okay, I get it. We're going to build a chapel right here around the crucifix in Chimayo. Through the years, the story of the crucifix became intertwined with earlier indigenous beliefs. While the hot springs had dried up, the earth left behind what was said to be all of these healing properties. The blending of traditions across time and cultures is common. And mainly a lot of the holy places that I've been to, like the Druids' shrines became churches, and altars to goddesses were rededicated to the Virgin Mary. I think the spirit is not overly concerned about these external things. What is important is that the pilgrims come to these places with an open heart. Thousands and thousands of people make their way to Chimayo each and every year, coming from places from all around the world. Holy Week is particularly a popular time to make this pilgrimage to the healing shrine. So you might not want to do it during that time if you want to avoid all of that, the foot traffic from Santa Fe. The tradition was started after World War II by the survivors of the Bataan Death March, who walked to the church in gratitude for their deliverance. I still go there every single time I'm in Santa Fe. It's just one of my holy sites. And when I had cancer in my face, I went and got the dirt that comes straight from the ground and I put it in my face, and I still do. If y'all need hope and healing, this is your space. Y'all ask me questions at michelle@michellekromer.com. Thanks.